So we are trying to figure out how to get across. Well, I got across, but they're trying to figure out how to get across. And she's about to throw a rock and splash everybody. No, that wasn't too bad. Didn't really help anything. No, it's all right. All right, Samantha, go. Slowly.
And don't forget, guys.
No, stop. Leave her alone. That hurt. Okay. I don't like having people help me balance.
The big one's helpful.
There we go. Step more towards the middle.
Oh, I'm now stuck. My other.
There you go. You got it. There you go. Perfect.
The one in the water in front of you is good.
No, 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 no. You just have to go to this one.
Move the baby
This one doesn't move very much.
Move the baby rock.
This makes the whole video worth it.
I'm wounded.
Yeah, that's not working.
Mom, here.
Step to the next one.
I can't. I can't even reach it.
Do you need another rock, Tim?
It's too big of a step.
No, that's not too big a step. Don't even give me this.
She got an extra rock.
Stabilizer. I'm not stabilized.
And there we go.
Mankind.
With your hands.
And then got to get to here.
I can't reach that.
Perfect. Over there. Nice job. Nice. Make it.
You left me for the end?
Goodbye.
Yeah? Even though you said you were going to be first, right?
It's okay. Those wide shoes can help you paddle.
Rude! Rude, rude, rude.
Mom, that's the first rock.
I know.
Stuck on number one. Oh, there you go. Solid ground.
That one's really sturdy, Mom.
Yeah, but I'm on the wrong foot.
Well, at least for me.
You're okay, Mama.
What if the rocks move while we're gone? You know me too, Mom. You gotta step towards the middle of it.
Shush.
Just don't fall.
There you go. What are you doing? Go to this next rock.
Just use your foot.
There you go.
There we are. She's like,
It's like a mountain goat.
especially mountain goat.
All right, Mama. You got this.
No, I need a hand.
Look.
Gonna fall. I can't jump. No, wait. Other hand.
Ready? Swing. We did it. Okay, go there. Someone need to teach my girls about walking in water. I hear a train. Mama coming through the tracks. Choo choo. Here, jump to me. Grab you so you don't slip. So you don't slip.
Jump that far?
To right there. You reach out. Okay, fine. Take my hand.
No, stop it. Get back.
All right.
Oh, I'll pick it up when you pass.
That's the shortest path.
I know, but I can't do it. I can't do it.
Hit the island with a sideways foot and reach out to my hand. Peninsula, sorry.
I can't do it. Okay.
I'll help you. I'll pull you when you come.
Which hand am I going for you?
I don't care. Whichever one. I'll grab you.
I can't do it.
No more peninsula. Bye-bye. It's only fitting you see a train on the Texas Pacific Trail. There's a watermelon plant out here on the trail. That's kind of cool. You see some melons growing there, right there. Although it's next to a natural gas thing, maybe you don't want to eat it. Who knows? Cool mountain up there. We're right by the trail, railroad tracks. Train bridge.
Yeah, we should go back.
No, Mom, we're gonna get hit by a train and we're gonna die. We go on.
Hope not. There's an abandoned house in the woods. Let's go check it out.
It looks pretty nice. I don't think there's trouble.
Are we going to look?
Yeah, I want to.
Can you save me?
They have water barrels for like rain barrels.
Firewood. I'm assuming it's not abandoned. Just not occupied. There's birds waiting for one of us to fall out on the trail. Pretty squishy. Got a couple inches of rain last night, so maybe not the best day to come out here, but we had already planned it and we just follow through with our plans. It's okay though, it's a pretty day. It's cloudy, there's a breeze. It's not too hot. That's not bad for June in Texas. So can't complain. Plus after this, I get a chicken fried steak at Mary's, so it's worth it. Okay, we're at the loop. Have no idea how far we've gone so far, but yeah, we're just gonna follow this around. We'll come out that way and start heading back from where we came. Kids are still doing all right. They're not complaining too much, so I think we're okay. We may be at an impasse, but we'll see. Rachel's trying to blaze a trail. This is pretty deep right here, and it goes on either side. Did you make it? Let's see if she gets through. She went in over here. And we're going to take her straight to urgent care to get a, what do you call it? Steroid shot for all the poison ivy she just went through. She did do it.
I'm not doing that.
Okay. All right, I guess I have to try it now. Well, this was not the most fun, but I made it.
Memories. High five.
We did it. Yes. Our kids are stuck in the woods somewhere.
Come on, Sam, this way. Sam, this way.
Whew.
This way.
I'm
Come towards
sweaty.
me, you pretty girl.
Hey, I'm a horse.
Uh-huh. I say we just leave them. Let's go.
Woo!
We made it.
Woo!
So happy. Whew, let's go get some chicken fried steak. All that going through the woods for nothing, because now we're not getting through this.
Unless,
Nope.
Samantha.
Yeah, just jump onto that rock right there and then tell us how it goes.
In the grass,
It's like 3 feet.
Like a catfish come up and...
Oh,
Okay, well, we might be done with this section. All right. Well, I mean, we only left out about 3/4 of a mile, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna do a little over 10 miles. That's pretty good. Yeah.
wait. I want to do
Coming up on this bridge and we hear a train coming towards us. I think we're here at just the right time. Let's go see if we can see the train.
Can I have water?
Water. cool. So here's what a couple hours will do, girls. This is way down. You can actually see the dirt now. Well, that was way less challenging, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You got it, Mama.
Okay.
Keep walking.
Just keep walking.
There you go, Mama. I got a hand for you. Oh, no hand.
I sputtered, but my feet hurt and I'm gonna pass out. I got a motivational cookie, but my feet are wet.
Okay.
I liked walking.
I thought it was fun too. But now we get some food.
Yeah, but in the summer, don't recommend.
Yeah.
It's just hot and exposed.
Too exposed, yeah. Good for fall and spring.
Yeah.
Early summer. We got lucky because it's cloudy. All right, let's go change and go get some food.